In this video, I will copy a fragment from one painting of Rachel Ruysch, a tulip. But before, how I got to Rachel. My daily life consists of many tasks as a wife, mother, and artist. And quite often I lose myself in these tasks, and then I seek for inspiration from great people and artists of the past. They help me get back on track, believe in myself, and pick the right choices for my life. To see a close-up of Rachel's painting, let's go on a travel. Not a real one, but a virtual one. London National Gallery has an amazing online gallery where you can see great paintings and have a really close-up view of details. I picked still life of flowers in a glass vase on a marble ledge from Rachel Ruysch, and have my sketchbook where I make my history art studies. Adding antique embellishments for more interesting sketchbook page view, and while I'm doing that, I'm going deeper into representation of antique art, how it was built, how can I recreate something in my way in my sketchbook. Line drawing is done, removing excess amount of graphite off the paper, and I will be using gouache paints for this study. While I paint this tulip study, I would like to tell you about Rachel. She was a Dutch still life painter from the northern Netherlands. Rachel Ruysch specialized in flowers, inventing her own style and achieving international fame in her lifetime. She became the best documented woman painter of the Dutch Golden Age. Rachel was greatly influenced by her father Frederick, who was a renowned anatomist and a botanist. She had her first solo exhibition at age of 15. She married portrait painter Jurian, and they had 10 children together. Oh my God, she is definitely a great inspiration for me. When I feel that I can't do something, I will definitely remember her, because compared to her, I have only 5 children. Her husband was reportedly supportive of Rachel's artistic career, promoting her work and encouraging her. She sold her canvases for more money than Rembrandt did at that time. While the majority of imperial painters moved to the city where the patrons resided, Rachel had enough power to convince her patron to let her stay in Amsterdam, sending one painting a year to the patron. Her last child was born when she was 47. Rachel passed away at age 86 and painted until her early 80s. On a pair of flower paintings, she proudly signed her age 83 alongside her signature. A woman who could do it all indeed, and a great inspiration for all of us. Finishing this tulip study, and now I can get to background painting. Using dark pigments from gouache selection, I will not be having smooth and even background. I want to add different color tones, greens and reds, as the original painting has around this tulip. Full tutorial of this tulip study is available on my Patreon. If you want to level up your watercolor painting skills and enjoy the process, consider subscribing to my online art school on Patreon. I'm teaching basics of realistic watercolor painting, give monthly feedbacks on students' work, and are available more than 180 real-time tutorials. These tutorials are available for all painting levels. finishing up this tulip study, and I'm really happy with the result and the process of copying great artists of the past. Also writing details of Rachel's life, her achievements, interesting facts. Another sketchbook page of art history is done. I am happy with the results. I had an amazing time doing the study. It is like going back in time and getting to know great artists a little bit better. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I truly recommend you to make a copy of some great artists on your own. It is a great way of trying new technique and going on a little history adventure. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye bye!